Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here and you have never seen any of my videos, my name is Courtney and I'm so happy to have you watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you can be notified when I put up a new video. Other than that, this video is going to be my January 2021 favorites. So when it comes to my favorites, I actually been using a lot of the same things. It's hard to pick my favorites because I don't want to show you guys something that I've already shown you, because I am really using the same type of products because I've been loving a lot of products. So maybe I can film another video where I share with you guys like my top products, like my loves. Let's just hop right into the favorites because I can talk. You guys know I can talk and I'm already gonna ramble about these products. So let's first product I would like to talk about, so we can get the big elephant out of the room, are my nails. So these are my nails. I do them myself and I've always done them myself. There's been a few times where I would go to the shop and get them done, but that was like usually for like a special occasion where I needed it done, and I never really go to the shop anyways because I like to do them myself. Two ways I like to do my nails myself. There's one which is the ones like this where I glue them on myself. I just use glue, like regular nail glue, and I use these ones. They are Kiss. I brought out both of them because I highly recommend you using Kiss nail glue. It works for me. I have tried so many different nail glues. I have tried the Dollar Tree version if you want to go like real cheap, and I do not like that one. The Sassy and Chic one that comes in a bottle, it works if you want to wear them for like the week, like a short period of time type of thing, which it possibly are gonna pop off during that week. But those ones work. The ones that come in the little tubes at Dollar Tree, I do not recommend those at all. Your nails will just be popping off. When it comes to these Kiss nail glues, I highly recommend. It doesn't matter which one you get. Here I have the Kiss Super Bond nail glue, and then this one is the Super Bond in pink. Basically, it's the pink nail glue. When it comes to these nail glues, like I said, they will not pop off. I wore my last set of nails for almost 3 weeks. I do not highly not like recommend that. If you feel like a nail's about to literally pop off, help it come off, get something to pop it off, and then, you know, clean it up and glue it back on, because water can't get under these. I mean, they're just glued on. It's not like the set that I also do recommend. It's like the Kiss. I'll have a picture right here. One I do highly recommend. I do have to say in that one, the nails in that kit are very thin, but because you're about to build them up, I think that's why they're thin. I personally didn't like them. I would just use another set. No, I mean, you can figure it out there, but I do recommend that dip set. Oh, that's what it was. It was like dip powder. When it comes to the nails I do use this pack. I need to get another pack. I did get this pack off of eBay during the pandemic, and from China. I had an issue with the eBay seller not understanding, you know, like an understanding. Yeah, it was an issue. I know Amazon has a pack where you can get 500, which you're probably not going to get this case because the case usually comes with 100. Are the Coffin Long. So that's what they are. And yeah, you can just use any type of nail polish and it works. So yes, that is what happens when it comes to my nails, because I know some people have been wondering. Next favorite will have to be the Juno & Co sponge, which I probably mentioned this. I had to mention this in one of my favorites videos. I love this sponge so much. It doesn't matter which one you get. I love all the sponges. When it comes to this one, this is the original one. This, you know, the microfiber one. It feels like the density, I guess, feels like a normal beauty sponge. But as you start getting different colors of the Juno & Co sponge, I guess they get more softer. I guess that's how you can put it. It's like 20% softer, 30% softer, like stuff like that. Last week I was using the pink beauty sponge. That one was way softer than this one. I don't know if you noticed in the video, like I could really like squish it. So yeah, that is when it comes to these sponge. I highly recommend them. I do suggest, if you do get the sponge, you pick up the Juno & Co Clean Up Your Act. What is this? A solid cleansing balm. Looks like this. And then when you open up, It looks like this, like a bar of soap. I highly suggest you get this because the soap in here is it's like baby soap, to be honest with you. But it's very sensitive when it comes to cleaning the sponge, because I have cleaned the sponge with how I would like normally clean my brushes. And I thought that would work, and no. Sponge, and it was like peeling apart. I basically had to throw it away. It was a mess. So, but when I clean them with this, it works great. And then this is one that I already cleaned. So yeah, I highly suggest you get these two together. I will have a link down below. You can easily find these. And of course, you can use my code Courtney to get your 10% off of anything on the site, whatever you want to do. But I do highly suggest those two together. Okay, so next favorite, these two right here. This is the product I've been using on my face and loving so much. Why haven't you guys told me about a milk wash? Like, why have I not heard anyone really talking about milk wash? Like, I heard milk wash usually when it comes to like Korean beauty, like if people are doing like a Korean beauty like steps, because I know the Korean beauty, I'm like saying Korean beauty so much, but I know the steps for that is a lot of steps. But I understand because their skin is so flawless. When it comes to this milk wash, I feel like that is where it's at. Oh, this milk wash is everything. So this is the Garnier Smooth Milky Wash. It's the melon one. So it looks like that. I've talked about this, I know, on my channel. They did send over this product for me to test along with this. And this is to go with it. This is the Plumping Serm Cream. This right here bottle is worth every penny. I will tell you right now, this wash is like a normal price range wash, you know, like $6 estimated. This serum is double that. So whatever price this is going to be like doubled for the serum, which I know is a lot for a serum. So this can go like as high as $16. But I'm telling you, a little bit goes a long way, so it will last you. And the way that it makes your face feel afterwards, it's all worth it. And on top of that, it's a 3-in-1. So it comes with a serum in it, a sunscreen, and a cream. So there's 3 products in this one product. So these two together have to go together. I have tried the wash and used a different like serum and moisturizer and stuff. To me, it doesn't work the same. They have to be together. Okay? Now that we got that out the way, I do have 2 fragrances. And I have 2 favorite ones because I use them at different times. So we'll start with the daytime. I love this one. I did get this one for Christmas, and I completely love the smell. This is Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast. And isn't the bottle like so pretty? You know what I'm getting from this bottle? I'm getting that Paris Hilton vibes from it. You guys know what I'm talking about? The old like Paris Hilton one that's literally a classic. That one actually smells really good too. But yes, so this one says fragrance note is bubbly champagne, sparkling berry, and juicy tangerine. Spot on. It's like fruity but classy. It's not like that little kid like fruity, but then it kind of is, but it's not too kiddie. If I'm explaining that right. I love wearing this one during the day. It's something where you can be around other people and they won't get irritated, you know, like a full-on perfume type of thing. That is why I like this one for nighttime. So after I take my shower at night, I love putting this on, and this is the Vera Wang Embrace. When it comes to Vera Wang, her Embrace fragrance line, there is a couple of them. I'm gonna tell you right now because I did get this one also in the month of December for my mom. I think she didn't like it or something. I mean, that's the only reason I could think that she gave it to me. So yes, I did get this one from her. And when it comes, I already used Vera Wang Embrace line of 2 other fragrances before this one. And I think one of them was like a flowery one. And then the other one was like a green tea or something, some type of like thing like that. But this one is periwinkle and iris. And this one smells so good. It has that classy scent, like, you know, the baby powder smell, but it's like a nice baby powder smell. It's not like that old woman baby powder smell, which I feel like, and we all know that old woman like smell, aka I compare that to the Chanel number 5. I can't with that scent. I know that's a lot of people's favorites. I just can't. I don't know what the reformula version of that smells. I think they reformulated it. I don't know what that one smells like, but I can't with that smell because that's the one that my grandma who passed away used to wear. She always wore that one, and it's like old lady. So yes, but this one smells really good for nighttime. So this one daytime, this one nighttime. Next favorite would have to be these, and these are flosses. And when it comes to flossing, I have very, very small, tight teeth. And since my teeth are very small and very close together, I have a hard time with floss. I can't do the string floss. Like I could never do the string floss. I literally felt like I'm like in there having a difficult time and I'm about to pull out a tooth. I feel like a lot of that with a lot of flosses technically, but this one I noticed it's the AIM Precisions. These ones do not shed on you. That's another thing I have with flosses is them shedding when you're flossing. I can't with that. So these ones do not shed. It also has the bottom part where you can use as a pick so you can get in there. And I noticed I can get between tight spaces. So if you're looking for a floss that you're having a hard time getting between your tight teeth, and that is your like excuse to not flossing, I highly recommend these because you will be able to get in between the tight teeth. Next favorite is a lotion. Do have, you know, like my nice smell good lotions, you know, like the Bath and Body Works ones, which I do love, but I like to use those sparingly because I need, when I want to like moisturize my body, I need a good moisturizer. I know those ones, they're good, but they're not like a great moisturizer. You know, they smell good, and that's basically that. You're going to get your, you know, your limited amount of moisture. If you get what I'm saying. I know you can see them. They're right back there. But anyways, I like this one. I've been testing this one out and I actually really like it. So this is the Lubriderm Dermatologist Developed Daily Moisture Lotion, and it's for normal to dry skin, and then it's fragrance free. So that way it just has, it says fragrance free, but it really has like that clean like smell to it. And it says clinically shown to moisturize for 24 hours. I don't know about the moisturizing for 24 hours part, or I'm just a very ashy person. But I like how this one does not irritate my skin. It keeps me moisturized for when I need. Of course, I'm gonna put it on at night and then spray this. And then of course I'll have to lotion up again in the morning, and then I'll spray this. See how that works? So yes, and since this has no fragrance, I can spray. So yeah, so I do like that. And I highly do recommend this. The only thing is, I don't know if you can get this in regular stores. I did get this at Costco, and it came in like, it came with a 2-pack. So it came with, you know, this one and then another one. And then it came with a travel size bottle, like a little, like this, literally like this big travel size bottle of the same thing at Costco. Anywhere else, I don't know. If I can find it like on Amazon or something, I'll have it linked down below. Next things are a kind of off in the beauty part, but you guys pay attention, okay? So my next favorite is this planner. So it is a 3-ring planner. Look at all that fits in there. This is a 3-ring personal size planner by Kikki K. And I completely love this planner. I decided during, oh my God, I feel like everything happened last year, like in the summertime, because that's like when, you know, the stay-in-house order was like in full effect, and we've been doing that for like how many months now? And I decided, you know what? I had a Bloom planner. I love Bloom planners. They work great, you know, that type of thing. But if you're like me and you have a problem with skipping days in your planner and not being able to use it, which happened a lot last year, I just didn't recommend getting another, you know, one-time use planner. So I decided to go with a ring brown type of planner, so then I can change the inserts in it and buy new inserts instead of buying a whole new planner. And I felt like for me it was better investment that way, instead of, you know, buying a one-time use planner, spending that money on that, and then never being able to use it again. So yeah, so that was my justification. So I did get this gently used. I didn't really know which one I wanted to get when it came to a binder. I didn't know if I wanted a personal size or a A5. So I decided to go with this one because I liked the print. It was a great price that the lady was selling it for, especially for a Kikki K. And I decided to go with it. My inserts inside are actually from Amazon. I will have them linked down below. And if I can find this planner, which I probably can't because I think this planner came out with Michael's. It was like Kikki K Michael collaboration. Next favorites, and this is actually my last favorite, are, yes, Tsum Tsum. I love Disney a lot. And when it comes to these, I've seen them. I've always liked the Tsum Tsum things, but I mean, I'm a grown woman. You know, that type of thing. I didn't know where I was going to put them or what I'm going to do with them or anything like that. I have something on this one. But I decided to go for it. And I caved. And I actually really like the way these looks. And I know they have like a whole like kids room line, which I think my daughter would absolutely love. I don't know how it's going to go with her aesthetic that she has right now. But it is an idea. It really is an idea. I really don't know what character she likes. She's like, you know, at that age where she's all over the place. But yeah, so I did get Winnie the Pooh, Minnie Mouse, Stitch, Piglet. And why am I blanking on her name? Like, why am I blanking on your name? The cat from Aristocats. So those are the ones I did get. There was a Mickey Mouse, but during the time I bought these was like, you know, in December. And a lady was like doing a Mickey Minnie Mouse Christmas tree. Like she was literally buying a whole bunch of these and like, I guess sticking them in her tree and having that be like the tree decorations because that's what her son wanted. So I just let her. At least I got one, you know, that type of thing. So yes, that is all of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because that will let me know that you enjoyed it. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, become subscribed to my channel. Turn on bell notifications so you can be notified when I put up a new video, and then we can be friends. See, that's how it works. It's that easy. So yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.